Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Sinisha and this is the start of the brand new series on our channel where we are going to teach you how to use a block theme. Block themes, also known as full site editing, is not exactly a new thing in WordPress. It exists since early 2022 and it's been there for a while. That said, it is not exactly easy to explain all the features of the block theme within one video, so I'm going to break this up into series of smaller videos under 10 minutes where you can easily follow and, later in the future skip to the topic that you're interested in. To better understand block themes, we first actually need to understand how classic themes in WordPress worked. And it will also be a good and proper send-off for the Gecko theme, a classic theme that served us for years. If you were using the classic themes, and you probably did, your routine in building a website would look like this. You will have some sort of a customizer where you can customize all of your site colors, appearance, PeepSo features, widgets, stuff like that. You will publish a widget, add different colors to different elements and stuff like that. And in some cases, you will also have an option to change a template. If you remember, when you create a landing page in PeepSo and use it in Gecko, you actually need to change your template from default template to landing template. You could also change Gecko-related or theme-related options within the page, such as hide page title, hide featured image, or even hide entire sidebar on mobile, and similar settings. What I want to show you now is an actual Gecko theme folder structure. If you take a look, we have a 404 template, we have an archive template, we have header template, footer template, and even those templates for page builder and landing page that I just show you how to make in Gecko, right? You also have your search template and sidebar left and sidebar right templates, even a single PHP or single page template. With this knowledge, if we take a look at the site right now, we can immediately understand the header template, sidebar template, other sidebar template, footer template, and if we go to editor, we can see our templates here. Now let's just briefly move to the block and show that all of those templates that I just show you in Gecko are also available in the block theme. You see, there is your 404 template, your pages template, search result, single post, no sidebars, single sidebar, front page, etc. You can always add your own, but that's the subject for a different video. Before I finish this first episode, I need to clear the air around one very important subject, and that is Gecko theme is gonna continue to get fixes and security updates when needed. It's not gonna be abandoned for some reason. We are going to support it for a very long time, and if you want to continue using it, feel free to do it. For the purposes of this series, however, we are going to say thank you Gecko theme, you served us well, but it's time for something more modern. As for you guys, I wish you all the best and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!